Listing 3716 is an auto repair business and property that stands out in multiple ways. Set on a major road in Lake County, Illinois, the location sees very high traffic volume on a daily basis and affluent households are nearby. The building measures 5,000 square feet and sits on an acre of land. It has 3 bay doors with 7 stalls and over 30 parking spaces. The business itself is immaculate. The owner has maintained a 100% rating with the state and is trusted in the community. Equipment is current, in very good condition, and well maintained. Comprehensive services from preventative maintenance to full engine replacements, specializing in domestic and foreign cars, are performed. This is a turnkey business opportunity. It is a sale only, not a lease. For more information, please call 312-448-8080 or email us at sales@AutoBizBrokers.com.